Hey guys, Chris Knight here with Red Door Property Management, bringing you the Fishers Market Report for September 2023. In a couple of these submarkets surrounding Indianapolis, we are seeing something I would not expect right now, a lower average DOM from the prior month and even the prior year. Let's try to figure out why. All right, let's dig in. I'm going to try to hide some of my shock value here because this honestly just hasn't really equated to what I've been experiencing here as we start to market properties. But I do believe this is factual data and will probably adjust as we get into October's market report, which is probably what I'm currently experiencing in my own current profession. But nonetheless, let's dig into some of these numbers here. Currently active homes in the market, 117, pretty much in line with what we've been seeing month over month. Average market rents. Now, this is what I would expect right now. Market-wide, we are seeing a considerable decrease or correction, if you will, in the average rents. Again, market-wide. And then going down into average days on market, but let me mention average rent at $2,060 is our current average, down almost 2% month over month, down almost 2% year over year. Now, I highly expect this to be a much larger decrease month over month as we get into the October market report, but that's we'll have to see what the future brings as far as that goes. Average days on market, 23 average days on market. Now, this is just astonishing to me. If I recall, I was pretty surprised last month as well, but this is definitely much lower than what we are seeing market-wide right now. Now, here's where the shocking part really comes in. We're looking at down 13, nearly down 14%. If we do the rounding appropriately here, down almost 14% month over month on average days on market. I don't even know how to explain that because that is absolutely not what we're seeing. We're not seeing lower average days on market at all market-wide. We are seeing an absolute increase in our average days on the market as we begin to get into a little bit of a correction. But not only that, it's also seasonality, right? So we are beginning to feel a little bit of the winter kicking in. But nonetheless, as we are all feeling in the overall economy right now, and real estate market specifically, there is a little bit of a correction happening right now. So I would take this information with a little bit of grain of salt. I wouldn't get too excited about this indicating down 14%. Even more shocking, right, is down 8% year over year. Which last year, if you remember, you could set a market price point at pretty much whatever you wanted and have no problem placing a tenant. That is not what we're experiencing right now, but looking at these numbers, you would easily think that it was. So nonetheless, we're down 14%, down 13% rather, month over month. Average sales price, we're looking at a $348,000, almost $349 as an average sales price. Now, keep in mind, this is what we call the investor point of view. So it's only homes that have sold under the $500,000 price point, which is what we consider an investor's real interested price point. So invested anything under the $500,000 price range. Number of homes sold. 80 homes currently sold in the month of September, which is down 4%, which if anyone is watching the real estate market is still not quite as high of a decrease that I would expect, honestly, but down almost 4% month over month. And it's still actually higher than last year, which is completely surprising. Now, what I would probably contribute that to is the construction that's going on in the area, new builds, things of that nature. Those have still been selling, even though the market, everyone has heard about the housing shortage that America is currently in. So I do think that Fishers is probably taking advantage of at least that in the economic sense. So that is our Fishers market report. I love the numbers. I would still be looking at Fishers as a potential point of investment. It does seem to weather the down markets considerably better than other markets, without a doubt, primarily driven by the school system, of course. But that'll wrap up our September 2023 Fishers market report. Tune in next month for the October 2023 Fishers market report.